Programs what we have chalked out for observation of the National Fire Service Day. On this day we pay homage to the firemen martyrs across the country. On 14th April 1944, everybody is aware what happened, and that is the day when at least 44 firefighters died in the Bombay dock explosion, and since then we have been commemorating that day as a National Fire Service Day and paying homage to martyrs. The theme for this year is Firemen, your partner for saving life and property. So with this theme we thought about many things, many programs during the day, that is on 14th April, and during the week, that is the Fire Prevention Week. And preluding the Fire Service Day, I know that you are aware that we are already having the All Goa poster competition for children. Last year we had around 1,000 children participating all over Goa. This year we tend to double that participants, and we also very happy to learn that Drishti, this Disha Charitable Trust and Sanjay School children are also participating in this poster competition. So that is another good thing that we are sharing with you. On the 14th of April in the morning, we have with us Mr. Nitin Bandekar, the president of Vasco Sports Club. So we together have organized a Goa Fire Run to pay homage to martyrs of the country.
We are going to have water stations across the route so that no runner remains dehydrated. There will be volunteers from the fire department, the volunteers from the Vasco Sports Club. Each runner, whether it's the 10 kilometer or the 5 kilometer, will be given a medal, a t-shirt, and a snack packet, so that being April, it kind of gets hot, but we will ensure that each runner is comfortable.